Do you want to develop that unshakable confidence? If yes, this video is going to help you. So, what is confidence? Confidence is your ability to believe in your own self. Now, there can be different reasons and different experiences because of which a person can lose confidence. It can be due to loss of a close one. It could be due to an abusive marriage. It could be due to some failures that he has gone through, or it could be due to that he expected something and he has not got. There can be different reasons because of which people can lose confidence. And once you lose confidence, just like any other skill, you can rebuild that confidence. Now, let me share with you what happens when you lose the confidence, and if you're not a very confident person, how it's going to affect your life. Now, there's a beautiful quotation that I learned, and that is called, how you do anything is how you do everything. So, if you are not confident, it is not that it will be affected in your one area of your life, but there will be other areas of your life also that will be affected. For example, the way you are driving your car, the way you are doing business, the way you are doing your job, the way you're talking to people, how you're talking to people, everything is connected, because how you do anything is how you do everything. So if you're somebody who is extremely hesitant to talk to others, or there's a lack of confidence in that, it means the same thing is reflected somewhere else also in your life. Hence, it is very, very important for you to develop that confidence. So here are quick 3 tips that are going to help you build that unshakable confidence. Number 1 and the foremost important thing is the power of self-talk. Have you ever observed that every moment, every second, we are constantly talking to ourselves? And if you are talking negatively to yourself, why this has happened to me, why this person has done this to me, why I only had to go through this pain, all these negative questions, it's going to give you the negative effect in your life. So the awareness is always the first step towards change. So what you can do in this is you can have affirmations. For example, some of the affirmations you can have is, every day I carry confidence. Whatever I set my mind to, I achieve. I trust the universe and its timings completely. I know that each experience makes me a better human being. Always have affirmations that you are in sync with, because the only reason affirmation do not work is when people just try to copy paste and they're trying to say something they don't believe in. So the one rule for affirmation is it should be something that you believe in, simple in present tense, and you should believe it. And once you say it with a conviction, and it will create magical effects in your life, guys. Number 2, the second way to develop unshakable confidence is the people you surround yourself with. So have you surrounded yourself with people who are constantly putting you down, or you have surrounded yourself with people who uplift you? Because you are a product of 5 people you associate yourself with. And if you have surrounded yourself with people who are constantly telling you this is not right, or there's no acceptability, or they're all the time telling you, they're putting a negative comments on you, you can never have that confidence, right? But if you have people who uplift you, who tell you that yes, you are unique, and who accept you as a person you are, you will develop that unshakable confidence. Right? And the third one is my most favorite one, and this is something that completely changed my life, and it can change yours too. And the third one is expanding your circle and going through the process of transformation. So I went through the learning journey wherein I got opportunity to meet with some of the world's best mind. I actually realized what are my true gifts. And then I got, okay, I'm really good at training. Okay, I can really help people in this way. I can really transform lives. Prior to that, I was completely ignorant. I never thought I'm ever going to do this. But I'm blessed to have some mentors and gurus in my life who showed me the mirror who I am as a person. And then I decided to create a business out of it. So if you are somebody who lacks confidence, it means there is ignorance factor. So become more aware of who you are. What are your true gifts? What is it that God has given you? Because everyone is unique. Just like your unique fingerprints, you are unique and you truly deserve to know who you are, what are your true gifts, and what is it that you can give back to the world. So I hope guys this video has been helpful for you. If yes, please share this with others, and if you are somebody who would like to learn more from me, I give you an opportunity to be part of my program which is called Be Classy Communicator and Influencer. So below is the link, you can just click it and there is a complete session of 1 hour wherein you're going to learn some amazing tips. So if that resonates well with you, you may like to continue your learning journey with me, and I will be more than happy to see you live. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.